In this video, I'm going to show you how to find a career on OregonCIS. Once you follow the link to OregonCIS, when you go to Login, go here on the left side, click on High School. Now, when you have a career you want to search, click up here on the magnifying glass. I'm going to search something for small engines. And then here, I'm going to go to Occupations. Now I'm going to scroll down again, and we have small engine mechanics. I'm going to open that. On the first page here, it's going to give you a quick overview of the career. But to find the real information, you're going to have to look here on the left. So you're going to have specific work activities, common work activities, working conditions, physical demands, skills and abilities, etc., etc., etc. To answer a lot of the questions on our assignments, you will have to go into the left side here. So if I want to see the wages, I'm going to click here, and it's going to give me my annual, monthly, and hourly wage. And this is in Oregon. All right, good luck.